Hi guys, so I'm here with the lovely Jodie. We were chatting earlier. She wants to know how to create a side swept fringe because she's going out this evening. She normally wears her hair in the centre, as you can see, so it's quite a different look for her. So I'm going to show her how to achieve that and what products to use in order to get that effect.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I've never known how to do that to my own hair before, so it should be good.
Great.
I've blow dried most of Jodie's hair first, and then I'm leaving out a horseshoe-shaped section at the front of her head so I can create the faux side swept fringe, parting the front area on the side she feels more comfortable with. I've dampened this section of hair down with some water, and now I'm going to prep her hair with some styling products. Spritz this hair with a light detangling spray to help comb your hair through, and layer with a thickening product from roots to ends. This will help to give your hair some hold, control and volume. Comb the products through using only a comb to detangle the wet hair. Ideally, you shouldn't brush your hair when it's wet, as your hair can be prone to breaking more. A comb puts less stress on wet hair. Remove any excess liquid in this section by power drying the hair first. Now section off starting at the underneath of the fringe area and blow dry using a medium to large round bristle brush, blow drying each section away from the face. Remember to follow the brush directly with the dryer, which will help to keep the cuticle flat. Also lift the roots with the brush and wrap your hair around it, making sure that the roots are drying completely. If your roots are still a little damp when you think you've finished, then your hair will potentially go flat. Dry all the fringe area you've sectioned off in the same direction until you reach the parting. Once dry, clip this section out of the way for a second and loosen the rest of your hair. Now take a texturizing spray or dry shampoo and mist all the roots on the crown, mid-lengths and the ends. Now create a diagonal parting on the side of your head from the temple going up towards the crown. This is where you will attach the fringe. Use a metal-ended tail comb to help keep this parting nice and clean. Release the fringe section and taking wavy hair grips or bobby pins for our American viewers, sweep the hair over the forehead to create the illusion of a sweeping fringe and pin the ends of this section to the underneath hair where you've parted it on the side as shown here. Take another grip and cross it over the first to really lock this section onto the underneath hair, and then it will remain secure. Once you're happy with the placement of the fringe, release the rest of the hair on the top of your head over the pin section and finish styling as required.
I'm now just going to encourage some volume on the crown with some texturizing spray, or you can use a dry shampoo. Then I'm just going to spritz the hair with a light hairspray to keep everything in place. And that's it, the faux side swept fringe, which you can create and add to any hairstyle. Have fun creating, and thanks for watching. How's that feel, Jodie?
It's so amazing, it's so different, but I can't wait to show everyone.
Great.
If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is here. Plus, you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If there's any other hair tutorials you'd like me to do or have any other hair-related questions you'd like me to answer, then please let me know by sending a direct message on any of my social media.